Yeah. So something suspicious is going on here. Something suspicious.
Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo? Where is
This will make him run it back. This will make him run it back.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And today we are still messing with this fuel system. Last video we did finish. I'll go through and show you all the work that we did, but we did finish. Sending units installed. We got the fuel rail. We got the supply link to the fuel rail. We also installed the C5 style Corvette fuel filter. So all of that is installed. What I'm about to do now, I'm going to get the hood off, and then I am going to put power to the sending unit and then see if we have any leaks. So that way we can go ahead and eradicate all of those while we don't got any power going to it. So let's jump into it. Y'all can see we got the supply line hooked up, connected, it's tight. We also bought a cap in the previous episode to cap that return line. So we're about to put power to the sending unit to the back and then see if we got any leaks anywhere. I apologize for the wind too. I know it's kind of windy, but I did look up a diagram last night to see how this was wired, and it should be on the LS fuel system. There's 4 prongs. It should just be the outer 2, so we're gonna get those hooked up. More difficult than I thought. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but we got the fuel pump going. So far, I don't see any leaks. I'm gonna go around and check the rest of the car. I am starting to smell a little bit of fuel, so there may be leaks somewhere. Let's investigate. All right, y'all, as you can see, we are inside the Ranger. You did what I'm saying. It's cold outside, it's freezing, and then the wind is blowing extraordinarily hard, as you can tell by the trees that's over there dancing. So this is not ideal weather to be working on the car. So I'm not working on the car in this kind of weather. You dig what I'm saying? I'm not sure if this will be a 1-parter or a 2-parter, but whatever this is the outro to whatever said thing is. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And it's your boy J-Lo signing off the sky. Peace.
Tomorrow.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, back again with another video. And today's video, of course, man, of course. Do I even need to introduce it anymore? I'm gonna do it anyway. This is my 1986 C4 Corvette for the people that are new. And today we are finishing up the fuel system. Last video, we went ahead and got all of the lines made and ran. The thing is, we put power to the pump and there was no gas coming out. Just to confirm, I did adapt to the LS3. I took this pump out, or I didn't take it off. I ordered this off of Amazon. This is a fuel pump from a 03 Suburban, and then I modified it to fit into the sending unit of the Corvette. It didn't have any flow to the front, so this adapter came with it. Make it easier to put power to it. So we're gonna put this on down there, run power to these leads to make sure the right leads are getting power, just to confirm, troubleshoot the power issue. So that's one of the main things that we're doing today. If we have time, we're gonna jump up front in the engine bay. We got a couple things to tidy up there, but we making progress, y'all. I think the game plan is to be done by mid-spring. If I can get done by the middle of spring and get everything shaken down, then by the summertime we should have a bunch of content. You know what I'm saying? Content should go crazy then, but we got to get to that point. So let me stop rambling, let's get to working, and yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, y'all, so these are the wires that came with the little adapter, harness, whatever you want to call it. Got a diagram up on my phone, so I'm going to peel back these wires, get power going to the pump, and to confirm that everything works as accordingly. So in theory, according to this diagram, assuming, actually no, I just looked and this is not the correct. So we confirmed the correct wires for this, is the two blacks. Now that we confirmed that, we're gonna go down to that Corvette style fuel filter and take off that main supply line just to ensure that it's getting to there. Alright y'all, so I just did some investigating. I popped off the return, nothing. But if you look on the ground, right there, you see gas. So there is gas going to that main supply right here in the middle, and nothing's coming out of the return. I'm gonna pop this loose to see if there's something coming out of this end as well. But we are almost done troubleshooting. So I'm gonna pop this one off and I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so I still for some reason cannot get fuel to come out anything other than this initial line. So just to confirm I'm not losing my mind, I'm gonna take this main supply line off and then I'm gonna run it into this gas jug. So y'all are gonna be my witnesses. I don't have anybody here to assist me at the moment, so you know what I'm saying, y'all let me know if y'all hear something. Thank you. I'm out here wasting gas, man. But y'all let me know if y'all hear something. Y'all heard that? I heard it. That means that there is fuel going through the line. I cannot figure out what it is about this Corvette style filter that's not allowing it to flow through. So that's definitely the problem. I'm gonna pop it off and investigate, make sure there are no plugs or nothing that's obstructing it, and then I'll reinstall it. Y'all can hear this. This has been about 3 minutes and it's still just trickling down. Is it a consistent flow? Yeah. So something suspicious is going on here. Something suspicious. Folks, this may be the case of you know what I'm saying, user error, because after investigating, if I blow into this initial line, you can hear that there's something coming out. But if I block this line, you hear nothing. So that was user error 100%. So I'm gonna get the appropriate lines put where they're supposed to go and then hook it back up and then run my test again. Don't judge me. So we swapped the lines around. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fuel filter in the gas tank right here real fast, and I'm gonna need y'all to spot me again. Let me know if y'all hear something. Y'all heard that? We got fuel pressure. It's the last time I'm gonna need y'all to spot me. This is going into that intake manifold. So we're gonna run that hose in there and put some power to it. Y'all let me know if y'all hear something. Y'all hear that? That means we got some fuel pressure. You dig what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm working with a limited space today, so we're gonna get this hood off and we're gonna get that other line plumbed right back up to that intake manifold. So let's do it. All right, now, so we got that fuel line installed. Fuel system is done, y'all. it feels great to say that fuel system is done. I thought about it though, so before we go ahead and tidy everything up and mount everything, I have 2 NOx sensors, and then I also have a coolant temperature sensor. So before I, you know what I'm saying, get to plumbing and doing everything on top of the manifold aside from just the fuel line, I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out, you know what I'm saying? So here are the new parts. Go ahead and throw that bad boy in. And here we have the new harness. I've been told that it's good to put silicone or RTV around the outer edges of this, just to make sure that no water enters. The effects of water entering that looks like that. You see how it's all corroded, rusted. You got stuff flaking off and falling. The plastic is brittle. So to prevent that, we're gonna put some RTV around these black rubber boots. We got some RTV, and we're just gonna go around the perimeter, trying to get full coverage around it. Make sure not to touch the bottom part once you seal it. So we're gonna do the connector first, and then we're gonna press that bad boy into place. Pretty good seal around the outside of that naturally, but RTV is just extra precaution, you know what I'm saying? You can never be too certain. Gonna do the same thing to this side. Hold on, we gotta pull this out of that harness. Let me go grab a knife really fast. Gonna be very careful, obviously, not to damage the outside of that. Gonna take a knife and slide. There we go. I'll hit that with some more tape before. And I wrap up and finish the whole thing, but we need to pull this back some more. Is that enough? That should be enough. There. So let's plug this bad boy in. Now that's in. Push that again. Make sure that RTV seals around the edges. Same thing. Make sure our TV seals around all the edges. Make sure it run out on that third side by the runner. Let's go ahead and tape this.